jogdin mako pere. Seneta ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna okone sirikal mamalo kod mano mar kaunti ahinya ma Nairobi mondo mi orang motegno skunde mantiere kuonde dak mawethoeth. Sifuna okone jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kod tend kaunti ma Nairobi nosingo chiwo mijing'o mar dongo kuonde tiegruok maonge mbalawang'. Kata kamano gisani okone jotelo go osejuang'o singo go kendo umo wang'e ne sikunde go ka otimo romo kod jotelo ma Nairobi. Sifuna okone senators kod jod bura nyaka koro ket teso sirikal ma county kod mamalo eka gichop singo mane gimiyo oganda jo Kenya.
If somebody has a history of giving you lies, you don't expect that there are some moment on their way to Damascus that they will suddenly become truthful people. And also that birds of a feather flock together. And you people must understand that as taxpayers, that is your money too. The parents of the children who go to your schools pay taxes. This money is not Sakaja's money, it is your money. So the question I was asking myself together with Janet is, what is this that makes a child in BD primary school different from a child in one of your schools? That because both of the parents of those children pay taxes, that money is collected. That money is collected. That is the question I ask myself. And this is why I said, let me come and understand what are the challenges that we are facing in order for us to make our city work for all of us. And in fact, by the statistics that you have presented here, and by Janet's position as well, majority of the children in Nairobi are not in public primary schools. They are in your schools. Now, it is not their choice. It is not their choice because, as you've been told, we only have a few schools, and those schools are not able to admit all of those children.